Hello everyone, in this video we are going to create a project of making a square root finder using ChatGPT. In this video we are going to use the tools 1. ChatGPT, Code Generator 2. CodePen, Editor. Open Google Chrome and open ChatGPT. Now in the prompt type, write me a code for a square root finder project in HTML and CSS. Hit the Enter button and wait until it generates the code. Until it generates the code now in the new tab. Open CodePen for the editing of the code. Now, from ChatGPT copy the code and paste it in the codepen.io HTML section. Now as you can see it is showing the results, but I don't like the formatting and the light background color, so in the prompt I write it as add a black as background color and also add the font family as caveat and also some other changes.